What's up, everybody? My name is Rob G, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you clicked on this video, I want to thank each and every one of you for clicking on the video and taking the time to actually watch my video. I am an amateur photographer and content creator here on the platform on YouTube, and I want to share some of the stuff that I know and learned along the way to help you reach that 1,000 subscriber mark. If you're trying to reach that goal on YouTube, we have to set goals here on YouTube in order to actually advance our channels. And my goal to you is to actually help you try to reach some of those goals that you might have. YouTube is a great opportunity for you to actually build a brand here, build a business, or just make a dent on YouTube. Everything they pretty much provide for you to actually help you grow. There's just certain techniques that you have to use to actually reach those goals. And some of those techniques we're going to go over, and we're going to help each other grow here on the platform. So if that's something that you're interested in, I really do appreciate it if you take the time to just click the subscribe button, maybe click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. I will be posting videos weekly here on the channel, and I will be trying my best to bring some of the best videos that I can actually create with you. There are so many different things that you have to implement when creating a video. There's a lot behind the scene. There's a lot of technical stuff that we have to do. But for the most part, you don't really need a lot of stuff to actually get started here on YouTube as far as equipment. Most of the time, your phones will actually do everything that you need it to do to actually start uploading to YouTube. And that's what's the best thing about YouTube. So if that's something that you're interested in, I really do appreciate it if you just hang around the channel. So I look forward to helping building a community here on YouTube and help you reach some of the goals that you might have here on YouTube. If you thinking about starting a channel, post your comments below. I would love to hear your interest in getting started here on YouTube, and what are some of the things that you're actually struggling with here on the platform. So with that said, I look forward to seeing you guys in another video, and I want to thank you so much for visiting the channel. See you guys in the next video.